Hello friends, today I am going to ask you one simple question and please try to answer me correctly. Whose life are you living? Are you living your own life or are you living a life which is its life? When I say its life, that means it's not your life. It's not the life based on your decisions. It's not the life based on your options, opinions. It's not the life that you want to live. It's a life which you are living because of the situations, because other people want it that way, because of the opinions of other people, because you want to impress other people, or because you want to show other people that you are living a satisfactory life. Just ponder on this thought with me in today's video. And before I start this sharing with you, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and please turn on the bell button. And if you are connected to me on my Facebook page right now, please do not forget to like the page. Now, let me give you my introduction, a very brief introduction. I am Dr. Ashish Nagar and I am a YouTuber, a physiotherapist, and a NLP therapist and coach. You are getting up in the morning, and since morning, right from morning till night, you go to bed. Just try to assess and ask yourself one simple question: whose life are you living? Let me give you a brief example. A person wakes up in the morning, say about 6 o'clock, and he goes for a walk. If you ask him why he wakes up at 6 o'clock and goes for a walk, he says, because walking is important for me, because it is going to keep me healthy, and because my doctor has said that you should do exercises daily that will keep you healthy. And you rush off to the office. On the way, you meet your friends. On the way, you meet people whom you don't want to meet, probably. You meet people whom you don't like, and still you meet them, you greet them, and you enjoy some time with them. Then you are going in the office and you are working with those people who normally also irritate you. There are other people who don't irritate you. You love working with them also, but there are few people who irritate you and who are going to use a lot of energy from you and give you a lot of negative energy. You still consistently bear all of that and you do that work, which work you think has to be done because it is a part of your job. Tell me, how many times do you interestingly do a job? And after a certain amount of time, after you get seniority, after you work for a certain amount of time in that job or in your business, then it becomes a requirement that you need to invest time or you need to invest your mental energy in this business or in this job on a consistent basis to maintain the standard that you are enjoying right now. You come back home and to show to your family that you love them and you are interested in them, you sit with them for some time, you have dinner with them, and then you again get busy with your phone or with your social media. And in the night, you go to sleep because you need to get up in the morning next day. This was a very brief description of how your day passes off. Whichever cadre you are working in a company, you are working in a bank, you are working in an IT company, you are working anywhere, you are doing your own business, you are doing your own passion. Every time you are working because either it is a need of that profession or your status, or you are working because if you don't do that, you will lose your present standard or status in the society, in the eyes of the people who are around you. Now tell me, how much is your you life here? If you just shift this flow of energy that I want to get up in the morning because that is going to help me maintain my health, that is going to help me have a balance in my mind, body, that is going to help me in increasing my productivity, that is going to help me to keep fit and keep blessed and go a long way in my life. And then you go to the office, whichever office, either your own or in your job or your workplace. And then you go there and you see that today what value addition I can do to the company that I'm working for, or to my company, or to my employees, or to my subordinates, or to my colleagues. And then you come home and you think that you need to invest some time for your own mental and physical recreation, as well as imparting some good moments with your family. So you spend a quality time with your kids, with your wife, with your other family members, with your parents, and then you silently and calmly go to sleep in the night. The same routine was followed, but the previous routine that I talked about was its routine. That is completely running because it is a demand of your work, or it is a demand of your life. Try to start looking for positive and self-oriented reasons behind whatever you are doing. The moment you shift your attention from this, that you are doing something because it is a need of the time, where you take a decision what you have to do and you have your own reasons for doing that thing. You are not dependent on the situations, the circumstances, the people around you, the boss, the subordinates, the demand of sale, the deadlines. How this shift will help you, let me tell you. In one case, you are doing something because you have to do it. And you have to do it because it is related to certain outcome that is compulsory for you to get. But on the other side, you are doing something because you want to do it. And when your daily routines shift from have to want to, there the energy flows, there the positive energy starts flowing. When you focus on your priorities, when you focus on your needs that are satisfied by the things you are doing throughout your day, then at that point of time, you are living your life. Sit down today, spare 5 minutes from your day. If you really love yourself, if you think that you deserve your time, take out 5 minutes, sit down, think of your daily routine, and just calculate how much of the things you are doing for yourself because you want to do them, rather than its life because it's a need of the time. No, make this small shift in your life and please share with me, what did you feel after doing this? Take a second and think about this. Try it out. Let me know how you feel. With this, I'll come to an end to today's video. The only thing I will request you is start living your life rather than living its life, and see the difference, see the energy, see the enthusiasm, see the youth that you feel when you are working with this ideology. Thanks for being with me today. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. You can join with me on any social media platform for such positive quotes and positive talks. I am not here to motivate you. I am just here to make you aware of the actions you are doing and the forces that are letting you do the action, right? With this wish, I'll end my video today. Take care. Have a great life. Have a great day. Bye bye.